If you're wanting to add a winch to your vehicle without changing out the bumper, then the semi-hidden kit from Warn is the better solution. You get a double dose of front-end protection with Warn's semi-hidden kit, and it provides a sturdy winch mount with extra protection in vital areas of your truck or SUV. The semi-hidden kit is engineered for strength and durability without the worry of adding unnecessary weight to the front of your vehicle. This mounting option from Warn is great because it retains your truck's factory appearance so it doesn't clash with the look of OE parts, and it works with most vehicle systems and skid plates. Warn makes these kits out of heavy gauge steel topped with a black textured powder-coated finish to protect against corrosion. This setup also allows for you to have 2 recovery points for shackles, and it fits all foot down and mid-frame Warn winches. The semi-hidden kits are also designed not to interfere with driver assistance technology. The semi-hidden kits are available for Chevy Colorados, Toyota Tacomas, 4Runners, and Tundras, as well as Subaru Crosstreks, Foresters, and Outbacks. The semi-hidden kit from Warn is made in the USA and backed with a 1-year warranty.